Today, I'll show you how to record a voiceover directly inside Filmora and add it to your project. Let's jump in. First, make sure your project is open in Filmora. Just above the timeline, you'll see the voiceover button. Click on it. This will open a dialog box where you can set up your recording. Now, choose your input device. This could be your computer's built-in microphone or an external mic for better quality. Next, select the save location for your recording. You'll also see an option for a countdown timer. Set the number of seconds you want before the recording starts, so you have time to prepare. Once everything is set, hit the record button. You'll notice Filmora starts generating an audio track in real time as you speak. When you're done, simply hit stop and the voiceover will automatically be added to your timeline, ready for further editing. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a voiceover in Filmora. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Filmora editing tips.